Heat and moisture are two of the biggest factors that affect indoor comfort. When they enter your home unchecked, they can lead to temperature imbalance, humidity buildup, and long-term wear on interior materials. While many homeowners focus on windows and insulation, doors play an equally important role in protecting the home. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, installing new doors is a smart way to better manage heat and moisture while improving everyday comfort. Why doors matter. For climate-controlled doors serve as major entry points to your home. If they are outdated, warped, or poorly sealed, they can allow warm air and moisture to seep inside. In Pompano Beach homes, where outdoor conditions can be warm and humid, small gaps around entryways can make a noticeable difference. New doors are designed to create tighter seals and stronger barriers against outside elements. Improved sealing reduces heat transfer. Older doors often lose their ability to close tightly over time. Worn weather stripping and shifting frames allow heat to pass through. New doors are built with improved sealing systems that reduce air leaks. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means less heat entering the home and more consistent indoor temperatures. Minimizing moisture intrusion. Moisture can enter through gaps around the frame or under the threshold. Over time, this can contribute to humidity problems and interior damage. Modern doors are installed with proper insulation and sealing to block unwanted moisture. In Pompano Beach residences, this helps maintain a drier and more comfortable indoor environment. Supporting indoor comfort year-round. When heat and humidity are controlled, indoor spaces feel more balanced and inviting. New doors help Pompano Beach homeowners reduce temperature swings and moisture buildup near entryways. Living spaces remain comfortable without constant thermostat adjustments. Reducing strain on indoor systems. When doors allow heat and humidity inside, indoor cooling systems must work harder to compensate. By limiting air and moisture infiltration, new doors help Pompano Beach homes operate more efficiently. This reduces unnecessary strain on indoor systems and supports smoother performance. Protecting interior surfaces. Excess moisture can affect flooring, walls, and furniture over time. Managing humidity at the entry point helps preserve interior finishes. New doors in Pompano Beach homes provide a stronger barrier that protects against environmental wear, supporting long-term durability. Enhancing energy efficiency. Managing heat and moisture goes hand in hand with improving energy efficiency. A tightly sealed door reduces energy loss and improves insulation. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, this translates to improved comfort and more predictable indoor conditions throughout the year. Improving comfort near entry areas. Drafts and humidity are often most noticeable near doors. Entryways can become warm or damp if doors are not properly sealed. Installing new doors helps Pompano Beach residents enjoy more comfortable spaces near entrances, making those areas usable and inviting. Long-term performance and reliability. New doors are designed to maintain their structural integrity over time. High-quality materials resist warping and shifting. In Pompano Beach homes, this durability ensures that heat and moisture control remains consistent long after installation. A smart upgrade for climate management. Heat and humidity management starts with strengthening your home's outer barrier. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, new doors provide an effective solution for reducing heat transfer and limiting moisture intrusion. With improved sealing, durable construction, and professional installation, new doors help create a cooler, drier, and more comfortable living environment, supporting long-term comfort and peace of mind.